Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make pork burgers. First, ensure you have about 1.5 pounds of quality ground pork. Next, gather your preferred seasonings. A simple blend of salt, black pepper, and a dash of garlic powder works wonderfully. You might also consider a pinch of smoked paprika for extra flavor. Finally, grab a large mixing bowl to comfortably combine all your ingredients before forming the patties. Now, let's get our hands dirty. Add your chosen seasonings to the ground pork in the mixing bowl. Use your hands to gently combine everything, being careful not to overmix, which can make the burgers tough. Divide the mixture into 6 equal portions and form them into patties, each approximately 1 inch thick. Press a small dimple into the center of each patty to prevent them from bulging during cooking. It's time to cook. Preheat your grill or a large skillet to a medium-high heat setting. Place the patties on the hot surface and cook them for about 4 to 6 minutes on each side. This timing will help achieve a nice sear and a juicy interior. Always use a meat thermometer to ensure the internal temperature reaches 160 degrees Fahrenheit for food safety. Your delicious pork burgers are ready. Serve them immediately on toasted buns with your favorite toppings. Think melted cheese, crisp lettuce, ripe tomatoes, and a tangy sauce. These burgers are incredibly versatile and pair well with many sides, from a fresh salad to crispy fries. Don't forget to check the description below for a link to the Owala water bottle and other great deals to enhance your cooking experience.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.